In this video, I will be sharing with you guys how I prepare shredded banana blossom. Let's get started. We will need 1 banana blossom, salt, and 1 lime or distilled vinegar. When using a banana blossom, select a firm one with tightly packed purple-red petals. It is very important to make sure there is no sign of decay. The first few layers of the leaves are tough, so we will either discard them or will use them as serving plates. As for these florets, we will discard the old ones and will keep the young ones to make a few vegetarian dishes. We will need a bowl with 4 cups of cold water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and juice of 1 lime or distilled vinegar. The acid solution prevents the sliced banana blossom from oxidation. Look at the sticky white sap. For this reason, we need to soak the shredded banana blossoms as soon as we slice them to avoid discoloration and bitterness. I often use this Japanese mandolin vegetable slicer to get the thinnest slice of shredded banana blossoms. As for Mr. Pham, he prefers to use the peeler because it is more user-friendly. We can also use a sharp knife to slice them as well. Allow the shredded banana blossom to be soaked in the acidic solution for about 15 minutes to get rid of the sticky white sap. This is the secret for the shredded banana blossom to stay white and crisp. After that, we need to wash and rinse them a few times to get rid of these florets. Use the salad spinner to dry the shredded banana blossom. This is the secret for them to stay fresh longer. Once they are clean and dry, they can last in an airtight container for up to 7 days in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. If you find my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.